araw po sa lahat ng ating mga taga-subaybay sa ating programang Manage Life Radio, maging sa ating mga estudyante sa The Late Start Investor Class at maging sa Think and Grow Rich Class. At ito pong muli si OG Solitario, umiere or nakaere mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes at patuloy na nagcha-challenge sa ating mga kababayan. At ang atin pong klase pala na batch 5 no, muli i-announce ko ito po promote no, every Wednesday po 7:30 ng gabi dito po sa aming bahay. Kung kayo po ay malapit sa Aman, Jordan, ay pwede po kayong dumalo sa klaseng ito. Libre po ito, walang bayad no. Pwede po kayong dumalo sa ating klaseng The Late Start Investor Class batch 5. Ngayon po ay mag-aaral tayo nitong tinatawag na Millionaire Mentality. The 10 Secrets for Developing a Millionaire Mentality. Kasi ang pagyaman ng tao, nag-uumpisa po yan sa isip. Kung ang isip natin ay hindi nagbabago, nako, walang magbabago sa atin. Kasi dyan po nag-uumpisa lahat yung pag-iisip. In order for you to become a millionaire, you have to start to think like a millionaire. Ngayon po, ang ating contributor is si Daniel Ali. Nasinulat niyo po ito February 24, 2016. At meron siyang sinasabi dito na 10 secrets daw to develop a millionaire mentality, yung pag-iisip ng mentality ng mayayaman o pagiging milyonaryo. Hindi po porke milyonaryo na sila ay mga greedy na sila no, o ganun no. We have to develop the attitude na hindi lahat ng milyonaryo ay ganun. Now, tingnan natin. Una po sa listahan niya dito is practice integrity. Ipapractice po natin ang integrity patungkol po sa tinatawag na pera, sa buhay at sa sarili. Integrity is telling yourself the truth. And while honesty is telling other people the truth. So with regards to integrity, tell yourself what is really true to you, no? Kung walang taong nanonood sa iyo, ginagawa mo ba ng tama ang dapat mong gawin? Yun po ang integrity. May tao man o wala, ginagawa ang tama. Dapat po maging habit o maging practice po ng isang mayaman o millionaire mindset ay ang tinatawag na integrity. So gawin nating practice ito. Gawin nating habit, gawin nating mentality ito. No? Dapat mayroon tayong mentality na nagpa-practice ng integrity. Number 2, become social. Ito po yung attitude ng mga millionaires. Ito po yung mentality meron sila. Kung tayo po ay takot sa tao, takot makipag-usap, takot makipagkwentuhan, takot mag-develop ng social interaction with other people, wag po tayong umasang maging milyonaryo. Bakit po? Ang milyon natin ay nasa tao, wala sa ilalim ng lupa, no? Kailangan natin ng tao. We need to develop our communication with other people. We need to develop social interaction in order for us to become successful in life, in order to become what we call a millionaire. Number 3 is to pay the price. I mentioned last time no, that we have to pay the price, either the pain of regrets or the pain of discipline. Tayo po ang mag-isip niyan. But remember this, the price is not really money at all. Hindi puro pera po dito. Ang ibig po sabihin dito, it might be time, your effort, yung pag-i-exert ng effort natin. So, remember this, that everything we do is a reflection of who we are. So we have to pay the price of what we can be. Dapat tayo po, we have to work out on ourselves. We have to develop habits, no? Kung gusto natin ng long-lasting success. Kasi yung mga nagbabayad ng price, no, nagbabayad ng halaga, they become successful because of their habits and because of their disciplines develop. Another po, control your mind. Tandaan natin yung sinabi ko nung TFAR, no? Thought, feelings, action, result. Kung hindi tayo ang magkocontrol sa ating isip, ang isip natin ang magkocontrol sa atin. So control your thought. If your thought is positive, your feelings is positive, and your action will be positive. But if your thought is negative, your feelings will be negative, and your actions will be negative. Of course, the result will be negative. So to change your reality, you must change your mentality. That's the answer. That's the key. In order to change everything, we have to change our thought because everything starts in our thought. Ang lahat ng bagay ay nag-uumpisa dyan sa ating isip. Number 5 is acquire skills. Ang iba, gusto maging jack of all trade. Ano ibig sabihin jack of all trade? Lahat, inaaral talaga, no? But master of none. Pero dito po, ang gusto ko pong iparating nag-acquire skills is ganito. When we said acquire skills, develop more on what you are best with. Kung magaling ka sa speaking, then develop more skills on speaking. Increase your level on speaking skills, no? Kung magaling ka naman sa human resource, then develop that skills in human resource. Hindi ibig sabihin na magkaroon ka ng maraming skills. Hindi maling magkaroon ng maraming skills, but you have to become a master of one, not a master of none. So acquire skills and always consider that your skills will determine your income. The marketplace is always conditioning ambitious people to become better. You have to look on yourself. How can I become a better person? Dapat tandaan natin kung paano maging better person. Read more books, develop more skills, training, no? Probably 2 hours a day training, no, sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo. That will really help. That will generate income for you. So kailangan po natin na ma-develop yung attitude na yan, ma-develop yung pag-a-acquire ng maraming skills. Another po sa listahan natin is master your language. Probably you are eloquent in English, or some of you might be eloquent in Tagalog, or probably tulad ko, I am eloquent in Cebuano, kaya ang English ko ay tunong Cebuano, matigas pa rin, no? But we have to develop the attitude, or we have to develop the mastery for our language. And the best thing we can do is to develop our skills or our language skills in English. Yun po ang maganda. Why? Because it's an international language that we have to converse with other nationalities. Ito po yung tinatawag natin na common ground natin sa kanila. Ito po yung tinatawag natin na meron silang tawag, may term dito ito yung naging basihan, ito yung naging medium, no? Naging medium natin to communicate. Maging sa media, no? Ito yung naging medium nila, which is language, English language. So develop more skills, read more books, read more dictionary, read more books about language. Number 7 is follow the truth. Don't follow what is false, but only follow the truth. Di ba may kasabihan na the truth will set you free? Yes, the truth will set you free. Your rewards are determined by your contribution to society. What is truthful, then contribute to it, follow it, and determine to follow the truth. Another is never compete. Kasi competition is a sin. Ayon pa kay John D. Rockefeller, never compete, but create. You don't have to compete with other people. You have to create something out from you. If you can create a product, then create. Do not compete with other people. No, wag mong i-compete sila. Why? You are just follower. Number 9 is respect money. Wag mong sabihin ang pera ay hindi mahalaga. Hindi ko kailangan ng pera. You have, or we have, to respect money because money is important. And if we don't respect money, then what will happen? Money will not come to us. Kasi kung hindi tayo mapagkakatiwalaan sa maliliit, hindi tayo mapagkatiwalaan sa malaki. So whatever you have, kung meron tayo pinagkatiwala ngayong pera, then pay the bills that you have to pay, you have to save, you have to invest. Respect money, no? Don't just spend it away to nothing. Last but not the least, sa listahan natin is aim higher. Kung halimbawa, goal mo is 1 million, gawin mo lang 10 million yan. Kasi pareho lang yan na goal. Parehong goal lang yan. All you have to do is to aim higher because the higher your aim is, the higher you want to pursue and the higher skills you will be needing. Because remember, what you need to do or what you need to develop is what you become in the pursuit of what you want. Kung gusto mong maging milyonaryo, then what it will make you out of you in this pursuit or in this challenge to become a millionaire. So what's important is tayo mismo. We have to develop a millionaire mentality. Muli po, ito si OG Solitario. Mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, nagcha-challenge sa inyo that don't just survive, but also thrive. Rich for managed life. Hanggang sa muli po, paalam at God bless po sa ating lahat.